Hey guys, this is the new Google Pixel tablet, and if there's one word for it, it's versatile. Let's talk about that and how this disruptive innovation is gonna upset a lot of markets. Okay, why do I call the Google Pixel tablet a game changer? Let me move this Nest Hub Max out of the way so that we can discuss the Google Pixel tablet a little bit more. The one thing that you love about this device is that you'll be able to seamlessly control your smart home devices. Hey Google, change the upstairs temperature to 70.
Sure, setting upstairs 2 to 70 degrees.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Got it, streaming the front door.
So if you have the ability to sit in one place, do your work, look around the house, also do smart home functions, that is a game changer. And then when you're done with all of that, you can just take off the tablet and play yourself some music. Okay, people ask me all the time about sound quality of stuff that I test. So let's go ahead and test it out really quick. I'm gonna type in Stream Beats free music, and this is copyright free music. I'm gonna go to the website and let's go ahead and play a track. Well, I take that back. This sounds pretty good. So I'm going to take this off and let's see if it's a seamless transition to the sound. That is pretty good. Okay, before we dive a little bit deeper into this product, let's talk about the physical characteristics. Right off the bat, you can notice a 10.95-inch LCD display. Now, this LCD display has a brightness of 500 nits, which makes it really bright even in the most brightest of rooms. That is an advantage. Now, it has two cameras. It has one camera on the front and then one camera on the back, which are both 8 megapixel cameras. So guys, just to give you a little bit more of a hands-on, let's take a look at it really quick. So I'm going to take it off, and you can see right here it has a really nice finish to it. You can see on the sides right here and then right here you have the speakers, and you have the speakers right here. You can attach a USB-C to it. And here on the back you can see how you attach it to the base. Here you can see the base, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it towards us. That it has the contacts here on the bottom. Then you can see the speaker itself. Let's mount it back, and I always hope that it goes on the first try. Yes indeed, it did go on the first try. So I'm going to give it a little shake. It works out just okay. Here what I have is I have a Logitech Master MX mouse. I have the affiliate link in the description, so do go ahead and check that out. It is a really nice mouse and it works great with the Google Pixel tablet. So you can actually go left and right in the apps with this little button right here, and then what you can do is you can scroll through with this right here too. The other thing is this is a Bluetooth keyboard that I found that works really good with it. It's by Hex Gears. You can attach it to Bluetooth technology. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the home screen and show you what it has to offer. Scroll from the bottom up, and when you scroll up you get this little tab right here. Now this is going to have everything in it. Once you press this button, it's going to give you all the apps that are available. You can open Google Chrome and you can type in anything you're looking for. Say if you want to go back to another tab, so just like you would do on a regular computer, you would press your Alt button and you would press Tab. Now what that does is it shows you all the recent things that are open. If I want to go to Microsoft Word, I can go ahead and click that. There you go. You have Microsoft Word come up. I'm going to open a template. There we go. We have a template. If I want to go ahead and type in it, I can go ahead and do that, or I can dictate whatever I want. The other thing that Google did is that it introduced a smart home hub where you could separate it from the base. So this tablet can be used standalone, but you can also attach it to the base like this. And it goes on pretty easy, but sometimes it falls down like that. So I would say if you do get this tablet, get it with the cover that comes with it. The other thing that I wish that they had done a little bit better is if I remove this little base from the bottom that I came up with myself, is if you put it right here, you can see the clearance here on the bottom is very low. And the reason being mainly because the speaker is so small. The hub is small itself. I think in the future they might come out with a version of this that they might call the Google Pixel Tablet, I don't know, Max. But I think they do need to have a bigger speaker to it, because I've listened to this speaker too, and the speaker is okay, but it does get the job done. Okay, once you mount it on here, you'll see that it's pretty easy to work with, but I would definitely use it with some kind of base attached where it's a little bit elevated. And then if you have a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse, it just makes it so much more better to use. It has a 27 watt-hour battery built right into it. I actually utilized the battery today because we had storms come through the area and we lost power for a bit. And this was the device that I could use with my phone hotspot, and I could check my email. I could also do Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, all of the productivity tools that I need. That is a really big plus. If you're able to utilize it like a computer, that is great. You won't be able to do heavy stuff on it like, video editing, 4K and stuff like that. But for the meantime, this is a really good foundation to have. Okay, and if I want to go to Google Home, I have it pinned right here. As soon as I go to Google Home, you can see I have lighting and all of the cameras and my thermostats attached. So if I go to lighting, for example, and here in the background, you can see that I have some pink or purple lights, and how I can turn them on and off is with this. I'm calling them the bar lights. So I click that and you can see they went off in the background. Now, if I click this and keep it there, I can change the colors on the background light and you can see how they're changing. So I can control many other things with this at the touch of a button. And while I'm doing all of this, if I want to change the thermostat, like I told you, in this very room that I'm sitting, if I want to raise the temperature a little bit, it's doing that as we speak, and it's changed the temperature in real time to 72 degrees. That is the beautiful thing about it. You're not only controlling your smart home, but at the same time, you can also do automations. Hey guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. I am going to do a comparison of the Nest Hub Max and the Google Pixel tablet in the future, so do watch out for that.